Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Chopcast. Chopcast is a tool that will help you to repurpose your long form videos into short form videos instantly, and by which you can promote your videos on social media easily. You do not have to do any work, you have to just submit your long form video. It will automatically find the key points of your long form video and then it will transform it into various part of short form videos. Also it will add auto generated subtitle on your videos, and as you can see they're saying that Chopcast helps you repurpose long form videos into ready made clips to promote your content on social media. Now if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of this deal, they are offering here up to license tier 3, and on license tier 1 you can get 180 upload minutes per month. On license tier 2 you will get 360 upload minutes per month, and on license tier 3 you will get 1200 upload minutes per month, and everything is unlimited in all tiers. See, and here the license tier 3 pricing is 239 USD, license tier 1 pricing is 69 USD. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Chopcast lifetime deal. And as of now I'm recording this video, they are on AppSumo only for 8 days. So hurry up. If you think you need this type of tool, then at least check it, because they have 60 days money back guarantee. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Chopcast and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for us. See guys, this is the dashboard of Chopcast. Very minimal dashboard, no complex things are available here. You have to just click here on this new, and then you can go to folder or you can upload video, and the video that you want to repurpose, basically you have to upload it. If you want to extract the video from YouTube, it's also possible. Just you have to insert the YouTube link here, or you can upload your videos from your computer also from here. And let's say I will take one video from YouTube. If I go to my YouTube channel, and from here let's say I will take this video, any video you can take. I will take this video just randomly, guys. I'm copying this video URL here, and after copy I will go to Chopcast and then I will just paste this URL, and then it will just convert your long form video into short form. Just click here on upload, then it will be uploaded. And then see, previously I have added this one nota review, which is one of my another video, and right now I have added this one deposit photos. Now if I go here, then it will say me that it will take 5 to 9 minutes, but we are not interested to wait here 5 to 9 minutes. See, previously I have used nota video. If I go back from here, see, this is another video, nota. Let me go here again. See, here is nota video, and from this nota video they have created 8 videos. As you can see here, 8 videos are available. You will see how many number of videos has been created. And if I go to this nota videos, let me go. See, total 8 videos has been created. If you go to Passivern YouTube channel and see, here is the nota review video. It's a great transcribing software. They are on AppSumo also right now. Anyway, it's 14 minutes or 15 minutes video only. See, and from this 15 minutes video they have generated 8 videos. So let me play one. Let's say I will play the first one just randomly. If I click here on this view, then it will play. Now see, this is the video, and they have added here auto generated caption. See, here is the auto generated caption. That's really great. Now let me play it and let me show you how it will work. In this video I'm going to review Nota. Nota is a tool by which you can transcribe, record and analyze your online meeting. But it's not only the meeting, basically you can create any type of transcribe basically by using this tool. Let's say you have a YouTube video, so you have to just insert the link of your YouTube video here, and Nota will send you or will give you the complete transcription of your YouTube video. Similarly, you can transcribe any type of video, you can transcribe any type of live video, you can transcribe your talking, your speaking by using this tool. Similarly, when you are doing online meeting by using any tool like Zoom or like Google Meet, or by using any other online meetings tool, it will create live transcribe of your speaking or of your talking. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Nota tool. and they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and they're saying that it's an alternative of Otter AI and Loom. And with Nota, you can screen record virtual meetings held on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, or in any browser, they're saying. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Nota, so at the first part of this video, I tried to describe what is Nota, and this Chopcast detected it, and they automatically shorted only this part of the video where I described what is Nota. Now let me play another one, guys. See here, you will see all the videos. Let's say I will play this third one. Just click here on this third one and just check what they will provide us. Let me play it. You can see the progress from here. So it has been done. Now if I click here OK, let me see what happened. See here is the transcription basically, and it's in progress. It's showing in progress still, but here see the first one that I have been transcribed right now, that is the live transcription is here. So all your transcription will be stored here in this section. If I enter here, then see this is the transcription. I hope you can get idea, and then you can add more information here. See there have a lot of information. You can add here number, date, time, location, email, phone number, URL type, and then there have participant and custom. So you can add any type of information that you want basically. So in this part of the video, I try to describe how Nota work, or how transcription on Nota work, as Nota is a transcription tool. And see this Chopcast detect it, and they shorted only this part of video. That's really great. So this tool is working, guys. Now another feature is you can export the video definitely, but you can edit the video. Let's say you want to edit the video, just go to this edit button, and then you will get a lot of other feature. Let me show you guys. See guys, here is the video, and now if I play it, in this video I'm going to review. So here as you can see, and in this video, so let's say I will change it, and let's say I will remove this end, so I'll just give here in, and then let's see whether my Nota video I'm going to review. In this video I'm going to review Nota. In this video I'm going, so from the video and has been removed, but from the caption and has not been removed. Okay, I have to submit the changes. So let me click here submit changes, then let's see if and has been removed from here. Now let me play it, guys. If I play it now, in this video, see here in this video, this subtitle has been updated. So in this way you can change the subtitle also, guys, from here. That's a great way. Also you can bold any part of the subtitle, you can italic, you can underline. So there have a lot of feature, guys, that you can do with your caption basically from here. They will generate almost accurate caption. Still if you want, you can basically edit these things. And then there have timeline. You can here see speaker, topics, search, filter. So here you can edit it depending on different timeline basically, and you can add text also here. So if I go to this add text feature, and then here if I click on this text, then see cool text goes here. Here let's say you can say subscribe please, and as you can see here is the text. You can drag and drop this text anywhere you want. You can change the color. See the colors will be changed here, and that's really great, guys. I hope you get idea, guys. You can do this type of thing basically here. And then they have add image option. You can add image anywhere you want. Let's say if I add one image here, let's say this is the image. See, I have added this image. You can drag and drop it anywhere, you can pick it anywhere basically, and thus you can add your image. That's really great, guys. And then there have option for back to clip. If I go to this back to clip option, then you will be back to the clip basically, and this is the thing. But our edit has not been done yet. We will go to edit section again, and then there have resize option. See, if I go to this resize option, then there have 16 by 9, 9 is to 16, 1 is to 1. So let's say we will convert it into 1 is to 1. So you can fit it, you can crop it. Let me fit it, and then if I apply, then let's see what will happen. See, this is the video and it has been fitted, but image has not been fitted completely. Let me drag and drop it. Let me keep it here, and then now if I
In
play
this
it,
video, I'm going to review Nota. Nota is a tool by which you can transcribe, record, and analyze your online meeting. But it's not only the meeting, basically, you can create any type of transcribe basically by using this tool. Let's say you have a YouTube video. So you have to just insert the link of your YouTube video here, and Nota will send you or will give you the complete transcription of your YouTube video. Similarly, you can transcribe any type of video, you can transcribe any type of live video, you can transcribe your talking, your speaking by using this tool. Similarly, when you are doing online meeting by using any tool like
I
Zoom
hope you get
or
idea, guys. I hope you get idea, guys, about this tool. And see, that's really great. Now let me export it. There also have feed color. So if you can change the feed color, that means this white color, the part that has been fitted. Anyway, and these are the main feature. Now let's say I will export it. So just let me click here, start exporting, and then it will start to export. Our video has been downloaded, guys, and it has taken less than 1 minute. Now let me play the video and let me show you how it will work.
in this video, I'm going to review Nota. Nota is a tool by which you can transcribe, record, and analyze your online meeting. But it's not only the meeting, basically, you can create any type of transcribe basically by using this tool. Let's say you have a YouTube video. So you have to just insert the link of your YouTube video here, and Nota will send you or will give you the complete transcription of your YouTube video. Similarly, you can transcribe any type of video, you can transcribe any type of live video, you can transcribe your talking, your speaking by using this tool. Similarly, when you are doing online meeting by using any tool like Zoom or like Google Meet or by using any other online meetings tool, it will create live transcribe of your speaking or of your talking. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Nota tool.
And I also hope, guys, you get idea about this Chopcast tool. The tool is really powerful tool in case of content repurposing. So if you think, guys, you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Chopcast lifetime deal from AppSumo, guys. And personally, I will get license tier 3 from them because the tool is really good, I think. So and these are the complete idea behind this tool. I will give the link of this deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Chopcast lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.